To perform this work, you will need to first safely raise and support the vehicle as well as remove the under-engine trays. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. The factory front sway bars on the Porsche 944 and 951 mount to the lower control arms, green arrows, and two brackets, red arrows, attached to the front frame rails. Each side is the same, with a drop link secured to the controlling arm by a 17mm nut, red arrow, and two 13mm nuts and bolts holding the bar to the bracket, yellow arrow. You can see in this photo how the power steering fluid has gotten to the bushing and caused it to swell, indicated by the red arrow. Use a 17mm wrench or socket and remove the single nut on the top of the link, red arrow. The nut sits on top of the link, which is a solid piece, so you do not need to counterhold the link like you do on some systems. There is a washer, red arrow, and bushing on the top of the control arm. Remove these, noting the orientation of the washer for installation. Use two 13mm sockets or wrenches and remove the two nuts, red arrows, and bolts, yellow arrows, from the mounting brackets. Make sure to give this area a good cleaning before reinstalling the bar, red arrow. With everything detached, pull the bar down and out from the control arms, red arrows, and the brackets. The links will slide off the end of the bar, yellow arrow. You can replace the link bushings by pressing it out and pressing in a new one. There are two rubber bushings that go on the link, one below the control arm and one above, indicated by the red arrows. If the bar bushing is swollen, it is easier to cut off the ends with a blade, red arrow, and then slip the bracket off the bushing and the bushing off the bar. Make sure to clean and paint any section of the bar that needs it. The bushing should dry fit. Some people use a little dish soap to assist with insulation, but you do not want to put Vaseline on rubber bushings. It will degrade it. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.